Hi students, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. Today date is 3/5/2020. I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to start new unit, unit 14. Topic is position and movement. Okay. Before enter into topic, by the topic name, what could you understand? What is position? What is movement? Can anyone tell what is position? Position is place. Okay? Position is place of any things or any person that occupies any place. No, that place is called position. Okay. What is position? Position is the place of any things or any person. Okay. Now I am going to show some pictures to explain the some positions. Okay. First, under. I am telling some positions. Under, behind, on, top, below, in front of, next to, in the middle of. All these are what? All these words are what they are indicating. They are all indicating the position of any object or any person. Okay, students? First, I am going to show a picture to indicate the position under. Okay? See this? This blue bird, this is box. Where is the blue bird now? Blue bird is under the box. Where is the blue bird? Under the box. Where is the blue bird? Under the box. So now the blue bird position is under. Okay. Next we are going to see behind. What is behind? See this bird. See this blue bird. This box is here. This blue bird is back. Back to the box. That position is called behind. Okay. The next is on. Most of you know what is on. On is that bird. See in this picture. This blue bird is on the box. Okay. Now you can understand the position of on. Now the blue bird is on the box. And the next one is below. What is below? Here see the dot. Now this dot position is below. Okay. What is this? Below. Okay students, in this slide I have shown 4 positions. First is under. See the blue bird position, that is under. The second one is behind. The third one is on. And the fourth one is below. Okay. You can understand with these pictures very easily. Next. See the next one. See this picture. In this, where is the bird now? The bird is in front of the box. The box is backside. The bird is in front of the box. This portion is called in front of. And the next one is next to. Next to. See this. In this, where is the bird? The bird is next to the box. Okay, students. That is called next to. Then in the middle of. See this picture. Where is he? He is in the middle of 4 blocks. See, you can see this. Okay. He is in the middle of 4 cubes. So this position is called in middle of. Okay. And one more thing I want to add in this time. You know one term underneath. That is the same meaning for under. Under, underneath. Both are same. Okay. Underneath is same under. This is like emotional way when we tell sometimes we use underneath, but the same meaning, under and underneath both is same. Okay students, position is clear now. Now we are going to see the next thing, that is directions. Okay, the next is, then we are going to see about directions. What is directions? Directions are simple words we can tell that are the guidelines to move from one position to other position. Okay, that is called directions. I have given one picture. In this picture you can see 3 arrows, this side and straight. Okay, first of all I want to explain the direction with your hands. The hand which we are using for eating the food, most of us used to eat food with the right hand, and the other one is left hand. Okay, the hand we are using for food is right hand, the other one is left hand. You can see now. See, this side is right and this side is left, and the straight arrow is forward. Okay, the straight arrow is forward. Now you all can take your workbook. Okay, now we are going to do workbook problem. Take your workbook, page number 86. Challenge 1 now I am going to do. Draw lines to match the directions to the arrows. First see these 3 arrows in the book. You can see these 3 arrows. What is the first arrow? That is right. So match that arrow with right. You draw a line. Okay. Simply I give the directly answers, but you draw a lines with right. And the second one is forward. For the second one is forward. And the last one is left. Okay. See, this is left and in the middle is forward. Take your pencil and match the things correctly. See the slide and match the things correctly in your workbook. First picture is indicating the right side, and the second is forward, and the third is left. Okay students, yeah, I hope you all understand this. This is very simple things. In normal routine life we are using these terms. These are all very things, you know this all very well. Okay, now homework. Take your workbook, page number 85. Challenge 1 and 2. What is challenge 1? Now I am going to tell to you. Circle the correct position of teddy. Okay, now where is the teddy? You can see in your book. Where is the teddy? Teddy is, where is the teddy? That is next to the tent or in between the tent. Okay, this is very easy. Next to or between. Then in the B, this is behind or in front. Behind means back side, in front means front side. On the C, where is the teddy? On the top or under? Where is the top? This is on the top of the semicircle, or this is under the semicircle. You know that also. Okay. The challenge 2, complete the sentences using the keywords. The cows are, where is the cows? They are in front or next to the trees. Trees are back and cows in front. So what will come? You understand, I believe you understand what I am telling. The next is the calf stands dash to mum. Calf. That is the baby cow. Baby, where is the baby cow now? That is the next to the mum or above the mum or in front of the mum, you know. In front means in front. Next to means next. That is side. That is next to the mum. And the third one is the sun is dash the trees. The sun is where? That is above or below? Above, I think above. And now itself I tell the answer, you can write also. And in the page number 86, challenge 2. Color the blue, the things facing right. What are all animals? That animals or things, whatever it is, that facing the right side, you have to color with blue color. Which are all facing the left side, you have to color with red. Okay? Do your homework. Thank you, students. Take care. Bye.